Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your college email password. First, navigate to your college's official IT support page or their dedicated password reset portal. Look for a clear option like Forgot Password or Reset Password. You will typically need your student identification number or username to begin this process, so have that information readily available. Next, the system will ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves sending a temporary code or a secure link to a registered phone number or an alternate email address you have on file. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders if you do not see it immediately. Some institutions might also use security questions you previously established for verification. Now it is time to create your new password. Most college systems require a strong password, typically with a minimum length of 8 characters. Ensure it includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, and one special symbol. Please avoid using personal information or common words that are easy for others to guess. If you encounter any difficulties during the reset process, do not hesitate to contact your college's IT help desk. They are there to assist you. Be prepared to provide your student identification number and a clear, concise description of the issue you are experiencing. Many institutions offer convenient live chat or phone support during their regular business hours.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.